Unclogging a toilet without plungers, toilet repairs. Learn what to do when your bathroom toilet won't flush and you dislike plungers. Did you know there are ways to unclog a bathroom toilet that does not rely on the traditional plunger? Well, there are. And this article is going to teach you how to unclog a toilet using your foot. It works about 70% of the time for unclogging a toilet. Also use this technique if you think the toilet might clog. To immediately fix the toilet, you can see the signs if things are not going down the way they should. If your toilet always plugs, it could be the sign of something wrong with the wax O-ring under the toilet, or a sign that the bowl or foundation is cracked somewhere. Determine whether there is room for enough water to flush the toilet. This process relies on flushing the toilet. If the water is up to the rim, it won't work. If there is enough water to flush the toilet, then proceed to step 2. Flush the toilet while tapping smartly on the toilet bowl with your foot. Don't kick the toilet bowl, yet don't be too gentle. A nice tap 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 will do. It doesn't matter whether you use bare feet or shoes. Shoes work slightly better. Both will work. If you have a toilet that continues to pour water in the bowl while you hold the handle, continue to hold the handle down. Use your judgment on when to let go. If, by holding the handle, you prevent the flush cycle, on newer toilets or toilets with newer internal flushing systems, then let go of the handle. Continue to tap smartly against the bowl until everything clears. Strange as it may seem, just when you think the technique for toilet repairs isn't going to work, like 10 seconds after the flush cycle is ended, everything goes down smoothly. If it doesn't work, try again. But only if there is enough room for water to safely flush the toilet. If not, I'm sorry, but you'll have to plunge. Use this technique as soon as you think there might be a problem. The best time to use this technique is on the very first flush if you think everything won't go down or you see things not proceeding smoothly down the waste pipe. Having success? Then you just saved a bundle of cash. However, if none of this is successful, then it's time to call a plumber. Robert, normal guy with normal plumbing problems. Required tools: none. Caution: don't flush the toilet if the water is to the rim or might overflow if you flush the toilet.